Hello everybody. Today we shall discuss about human trafficking and corruption. Corruption is one of the major contributing factors to the crime of trafficking in persons. It is both an underlying root cause and a facilitating tool to carry out and sustain this illicit trade. In its worst forms, corruption can also ensure safe havens for the profits collected as a result of human misery. Unfortunately, there has been very little exploration into the linkages of the two phenomena. Corruption can emerge before, during, and after the actual trafficking crime, which means that corruption is not limited to countries of origin and transit countries, but also facilitates the continued exploitation of trafficking victims once at their destination. Police officers, labor inspectors, and others working in the field of administrative control, health workers, NGO staff, and other actors may be prepared to turn a blind eye to trafficking situations that come to their attention for a small fee. Corrupt practices may also play a role after the actual identification and rescue of a trafficked victim, that is, before, during, and after possible criminal proceedings. Such practices are applied by the traffickers to avoid conviction and obstruct, prosecute, and convict the traffickers. Traffickers have the means and do not experience any kind of inhibitions while bribing their way through the criminal justice system, and the investigators assigned to the case all too often fail to overcome their temptations. Corruption can easily lead to establishing close ties between the traffickers and all those who are actually responsible for delivering justice to the victims. There are reported instances of law enforcement officers and prosecutors demanding sexual services and financial or other payments from the victims in exchange for pursuing their case. For a trafficked person, this amounts to re victimization. There are also reports of immigration officials requesting returns to pay them bribes. I repeat, there are also reports of immigration officials requesting return, returns to pay them bribes. Corruption can be one of the main reasons why victims are unwilling to turn to the police and cooperate with the criminal justice system. So this is about what we have discussed in relation to human trafficking, that is human trafficking and corruption. Hope you got the information, and we will discuss the other issues in the next video lesson. Thank you.